around dancers. I'm going to be starting out with a phase 3 waltz called Feed the Birds. This does have the interrupted box in it. Are you able to hear me in the back now? Everything good? Okay, here we go. Starts open facing wall, lead feet 3, 2 measure weight, apart point, butterfly touch, and then waltz away. Here we go. Apart point, butterfly touch, waltz away, wrap the lady in a forward waltz, roll the lady across, through twinkle, through face close, canter twice, to reverse, waltz away, wrap the lady in a forward waltz, roll the lady across, through twinkle, through face close, twirl vine 3, pick up to line of dance, diamond turn. Forward waltz, drift apart, through twinkle twice, to line of dance, turn left and toss it banjo, impetus semi, in and out runs, maneuver, 2/4 right turns, the face line of dance, canter once towards center, interrupted box. Forward waltz, maneuver, spin turn with a box finish, line of dance, interrupted box. Forward waltz, facing a wall, side close, canter twice, waltz away, wrap the lady in a forward waltz, roll the lady across, through twinkle, through face close, canter twice, to reverse, waltz away, wrap the lady in a forward waltz, roll the lady across, through twinkle, through face close, twirl vine 3, pick the lady up to line, interrupted box. Forward waltz, maneuver, spin turn, with a box finish, line of dance, interrupted box. Forward waltz, maneuver, spin turn with the box finish, 2 left turns, to butterfly, twirl vine 3, through face close, canter once, dip twist with a leg crawl. And the next one is called In the Mood. It's a phase 2 2-step. Starts open facing, man facing wall, lead feet 3, 2 measure weight, apart point together to close, and then broken box. Apart point together to close, broken box. Forward hitch, scissors through semi, scoop 4, walk to the close and box. Slow open vine 4 to half open, 1 forward 2-step, rock forward and recover, 1 back 2-step, rock back and recover, hitch 6. Forward lock twice, walk 2 to close, 2 turning 2 steps, twirl vine 2, walk 2, lace across 2-step, walk 2, lace or back 2-step, walk 2, circle way to 2 steps, strut together 4, to close for a traveling box. 2 turning 2 steps, side draw close twice, apart point, together touch, twirl vine 2, walk 2 to close, broken box. Forward hitch, scissors through semi, scoot 4, walk 2 to close and box. Slow open bind 4, the half open, 1 forward 2 step, rock forward and recover, 1 back 2 step, rock back and recover, hitch 6. Forward lock twice, walk 2, 2 turning 2 steps. Twirl bind 2, walk 2, lace across 2 step, walk 2, lacer back 2 step, walk 2, circle way to 2 steps, strut together 4, to close for a traveling box. Two turning 2 steps, side draw close twice, broken box. Forward hitch, scissors through semi, scoot 4, walk 2 to close and box. Slow twisty bind 4, pivot 2, twirl bind 2 semi, 1 forward 2 step, reach through, step apart, point to your partner and hold.
All right, let's hear it for Chris. Nice round of applause. Thank you, Chris. All right, you back out square dancing, so get your squares together.